Will explain about the conditional formatting. If I want to apply conditional formatting in salary, then like I want to find the top three which have highest salary, then I just ap- apply this and choose the grid color. Yeah, so it's these are the three that have highest salary. Now I will apply in the role. Then I will use the text. Let's say in a text, the if the manager this manager text is written, then it will show the red color. Even if in this backend developer, if I write manager, then here it will highlight the red. Yeah, doesn't matter if it is written the manager, then it will show in the red color. Yeah, so it's a for conditional formatting. Then let's say I will remove this. I will apply another formatting here. I can remove this. In salary, if I want to count a greater than, for example, I want to count greater than 70,000. So these are the salary which have above 70,000. If I edit this and write 1,68,000, then it will again, it's above 70,000, so it will highlight it as a green. So this is a conditional formatting.